Hey guys, it's me, Ebony Ramaya, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be sharing with you all some feminine hygiene tips and tricks. Before we get into this video, please ignore my mattress in the background. I'm in the process of getting some sheets and a new comforter and all that good stuff, so please disregard that throughout this whole video. Also, this is going to be a girl talk video, so if you do not want to hear about girl talk and girl stuff, this video is not for you. So go ahead, click off now. This is your only chance and your only warning. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is skincare. Now I know I talk about skincare a lot on my channel. It's because I have people that ask me about my skin routine and what I use on my skin, and I just love sharing with you all and giving you all tips and stuff like that. So if you're struggling to get clear skin, I recommend drinking cucumber and lemon water every morning or every night, whenever you want to drink it, and it really does help with clear skin. Another thing that also helps is by using coconut oil instead of lotion. So if you have oily skin, coconut oil is not going to work. It's just oily skin and oil just does not go together. So don't use coconut oil if your skin is already oily. But if you are trying to find something else to moisturize your skin, I recommend using coconut oil. It has changed my skin a lot and it just makes my skin look so much better. So I highly recommend using coconut oil. And another thing is to start using natural and unscented soaps. If you are using different face washes and stuff, try to switch to some that you will recognize the ingredients of, so that you kind of know what's going on your face. Or just use some unscented ones, because the scented stuff be having all them weird chemicals and stuff in it. You just don't want that on your face. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to hygiene. So if you're dealing with dark spots, or if you just want brighter skin anywhere on your body except for your face, I recommend exfoliating with a sugar scrub or any type of scrub, or using a loofah. And if you don't know what a loofah is, it's one of them sponges that some people use in a shower or a bathtub. Either or, I recommend using both of them, but you can use a scrub if you don't want to use a loofah, or you can use a loofah if you don't want to use a scrub. I recommend doing both because both of them will help with getting rid of dark spots and just kind of softening up your skin. So if you are looking into getting smoother skin, I kind of already said this, but using a loofah or switching to a loofah instead of using a towel and exfoliating with a scrub also helps with smoother and softer skin. Also, if you are a shaver, I recommend switching to waxing or using a hair removal cream. That tends to work a lot better than shaving, and it also lasts longer. So just kind of make small changes, and I feel like your hygiene and your overall routine and skin will probably change for the better. Another way that I like to make my skin smoother is by using vitamin E oil and coconut oil on my skin. I kind of already said this, like I said, but vitamin E oil is another good oil for your skin. It is a lighter oil. It's not as heavy as coconut oil. So if you don't want to use coconut oil because it's too heavy, I would prefer vitamin E oil. And I'm not saying that you don't have to use lotion or anything like that, but because it is summertime, lotions can be a little bit too heavy and too thick for the skin. So just using like a light oil or serum on your skin will help make your skin soft and work just as good as lotion, if not better. So now we're going to get into your smell and all that good stuff. So just a disclaimer, everybody has a smell down there. I'm not saying that everybody has a bad smell, but all girls have a natural scent, have a natural smell down there. It does. Not everybody's going to smell like rainbows and butterflies, so yeah, it's just time to grow up and realize that, okay? And if you are having trouble with your smell down there, like not smelling as pleasant or just having a stronger smell than it should be, I recommend drinking cranberry juice mixed with lemon and apple cider vinegar, just a capful of both lemon juice and apple cider vinegar, and some 100% cranberry juice usually helps with your smell and your health, and it also helps with urinary tract infections as well. So if you have any problems like that, I recommend drinking cranberry juice mixed with those ingredients. Or if you don't want to use those ingredients or have those at hand, you can just use cranberry juice. It also tastes really good. If you're having problems down there, then just drink that. Or if you don't want to drink it, or if you're allergic, you can just check with your doctor to see, you know, what are your alternatives. But if you do not like cranberry juice, like if you don't like the taste of it, then the cranberry pills and or the apple cider vinegar pills are a great alternative. Another way that you can enhance the smell or just better the smell down there is eating lots of fruit, preferably pineapple, but you know, you can have whatever types of fruit that you have at your household, whatever you like. Just eating cleaner ingredients in general will help with your overall smell and your overall health. But pineapples and cranberries are good fruits for your smell and your health. And plus, pineapple is really good. You can always just drink 100% pineapple juice, but if you like pineapples, then just have pineapples. And the last thing that I would recommend is using unscented soap. Scented soap is just not good down there. And also, Hygiene washes are not good down there either. They have a lot of weird ingredients that are just not good for your body and your skin. They're just toxic ingredients that you just don't need down there. So yeah, just switch to unscented. So I recommend Dove soap. That's what I use. I've been using it for years, don't have any problems. So yeah, I hope these help, and that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Bye guys.